Never hire a roofer if they don't include replacing your skylight in their roof replacement estimate. Here are 3 reasons why. Number 1, skylight leaks are one of the most common leaks that we get calls for. When somebody replaced their roof just a few years ago with another company that didn't replace the skylight when they did the roof. Why would anyone install a 20, 30, or 50-year roof and not replace the skylight when the skylight is likely out of its warranty period? That's why you always need to check if you're getting an estimate that's too good to be true. Are they replacing all the skylights and all the skylight flashings? Number 2, the cheapest time to replace your skylights is during a roof replacement. If you try to change your skylights when you're not doing a roof replacement, it will cost you 2 to 3 times more money because it will be a lot more labor to replace that skylight and try to match the shingles that are existing on your roof. When you're doing a roof replacement, the shingles and flashings have to get redone anyway, so it makes it the most cost-effective time to replace your skylight. Number 3, your home will have improved energy efficiency. This is because the skylights that we install come standard with argon gas between the 2 glass panels on the skylight. This is an insulating factor. In the wintertime, it keeps out the cold, and in the summer, it keeps out the heat. Also, the skylights that we install come standard with a solar-powered blind. Now, you can shut these blinds in the summer when the sun is really beating down to keep the room much more comfortable. And the best part about it is that the new skylight may qualify for a tax credit for the solar technology, but you're definitely going to want to check with your CPA or tax professional. That is why here at Lifetime Exteriors, we always include replacing all skylights and all skylight flashings on every roof replacement that we do. This may make our estimates higher than some of the competitors who aren't including replacing the skylights in their estimate. But changing the skylights is necessary to do a proper roof replacement. If you'd like a free estimate on replacing your skylights or roof replacement, feel free to contact us at the information below. Thanks so much for joining us.